So my cheekbones make my skin tone uneven. That's something that actually I do get from a fair number of patients, whether their facial structure actually affects how their skin looks and skin tone. It is a fair comment to a certain extent because we do see in certain patients who have very prominent features of their facial structure, it can affect how their skin looks under certain lighting, for example. So in patients with very high cheekbones, it does cause a little bit of shadowing effect on the lower part of the face. So in certain lighting, especially the harsh lighting from top down, you can actually see a little bit more shadowing in the lower face. Although I think this is lighting dependent and it actually really doesn't impact how the actual skin looks. Other factors which are more important in determining skin tone would be firstly factors like presence of pigmentation. If you have pigmentation on the skin, it always makes your skin tone look uneven. If you have poor skin texture, like open pores, rough texture over certain areas as compared to the oily areas, for example, it can make your skin look dull as well as uneven. If you have a lot of sun damage to the skin, it gives you a lot of fine lines and poor texture as well, and this can be more prominent in certain parts of the face where you get a little bit more sun exposure than the other areas. And this also kind of ties back to the fact that some patients with higher cheekbones, they get a little bit more sun damage to particular areas of the face. Of course, other things that cause your skin to be a little bit uneven would be the hydration and the oil balance of your skin. If you have very, very dry skin, it always makes your skin look a little bit dull. If you have excessively oily skin, it makes your skin look awkwardly shiny. Although facial structure does impact how the skin looks under certain types of lighting, I would say that it is not something that absolutely affects how your skin tone is.